Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a great leader? Well, let's delve into the essence of leadership. It's a term that's often misunderstood. Many assume it's all about being in charge, commanding a room, or making tough decisions. But that's not the whole story. At its core, leadership is about taking care of those in your charge. It's about nurturing, inspiring, and bringing out the best in people. There are three key aspects to this. First, there's support. This means providing your team with the resources, encouragement, and care they need to thrive. Second, there's drive, which involves setting a clear direction and pushing for progress. And finally, there's guidance. This is about helping others navigate challenges, make wise decisions, and grow both personally and professionally. In essence, a leader is a nurturer, a driver, and a guide. Leadership is a complex role, involving the careful balance of support, drive, and guidance. Now that we understand the essence of leadership, let's delve into the different facets. Leadership is not a one-size-fits-all role. It's multidimensional, encompassing the roles of supporter, driver, and guide. Firstly, as a supporter, a leader empowers and encourages team members. They create an environment where everyone feels valued and heard, fostering a sense of camaraderie and mutual respect. The second facet is the driver. In this role, a leader motivates and pushes the team toward the achievement of goals. They ignite passion and inspire action, transforming vision into reality. Lastly, as a guide, a leader provides direction and vision. They steer the team towards success, navigating through challenges and obstacles with grace and resilience. They are the compass, always pointing the way forward. Each facet of leadership is equally important, and effective leaders know how to balance these roles. They are the supporters, drivers, and guides who make the journey worthwhile and the destination achievable. So, how does a leader balance these roles, you might ask? Well, it all comes down to adaptability. The best leaders understand that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to leadership. Every team, every situation demands a unique blend of support, drive, and guidance. Imagine leadership as an ever-shifting dance. Sometimes the rhythm calls for a supportive step, fostering growth and confidence within the team. At other times, the beat quickens, requiring a leader to drive, to push forward with determination and focus. And sometimes the music slows, asking for a guiding hand, a gentle steer toward the right direction. Leadership isn't about choosing one role and sticking to it. It's about sensing the needs of the team, the demands of the situation, and adjusting accordingly. It's about walking the tightrope of support, drive, and guidance, and knowing when to lean towards one over the other. Great leaders are those who know when to support, when to drive, and when to guide. Striking the right balance is the key to effective leadership.